Morning everyone. Just thought I'd have a quick chat while I'm getting ready for my clients and sort of chat a bit about one of the metabolism hacks that I think people really could be doing that can make quite a difference to their day, their energy, their muscles, their liver, their metabolism. So, and I'm talking about good old lemon juice in water or apple cider vinegar in water in the morning. So, and actually it doesn't really have to be in the morning, but it is one of those things when you drink purified water, it obviously helps our liver and our kidneys and everything function better. I do remember seeing Dr. Oz. It's one of the things that made me lose a bit of respect for him, because he did a study where he took two twins and he had one where he didn't get them to drink much water and the other one drank plenty. They did blood tests at the end of 2 weeks and there was no difference. So therefore he said there's nothing that indicates that people need to drink plenty of water, which, to be quite honest, I think, Dr. Oz, was that very scientific? Anyway, that's just, and they were both like 19, these little blonde bimbettes that, were little college students who had nothing wrong with them. So that is an entirely different thing to when you actually do have things wrong with you and you're doing it as a way of rehydrating. Now, because I've been doing weight loss for so many years with people, one of the things that I regularly find is that people are not hydrated. So I do these things called bioimpedance screenings, and it lets me know how much muscle how much muscle mass their body have, how hydrated they are, how much toxicity they have. So that's sort of with this thing called a bioimpedance screening, which lets me know what's going on in the body. So I use it with my weight loss clients and I use it with my chronic pain clients. Now, when you do something like 2 liters of, so it's about getting a jug, plastic isn't actually, it's better to have a glass one, but I've got 2 glass ones that I use for this purpose. And what I do, you fill them up in the morning and I put either 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar or 40 mils of lemon juice in them. And you can alternate daily because, and also one may not suit you, the other one may suit you better. So it's what works for you. But the thing that I love about it is that basically what it does, it stimulates liver detoxification. So if we've got sluggish metabolisms, the liver is nearly always involved. So it's something that helps to alkalize the tissues to help to release toxins. It's really quite an amazing little hack that really kicks your metabolism in. And we're in winter here. I know it's not winter everywhere in the world, but it's something that really helps us to hydrate our body. Now, when you are trying to lose weight, one of the things that happens, especially as women, is that we become more and more hydrated if we're doing it well, which can mean that we can have these plateaus where we don't lose weight for a few days, and it's really frustrating. But because the bioimpedance screening lets me know how many muscles under muscle mass people is, I hardly get anyone who comes in here who's overweight, who has perfect muscle mass and perfect muscle quality, because the tummy fat actually releases acids. If our BMI is over 30, our tummy fat is releasing fatty acids all day long, and then the liver and gallbladder have to metabolize those fatty acids all day long. So your liver is under pressure all day, every day when you're losing weight. If you lose 5 kilos, you've lost up to 5 kilos of toxins. At the very least, you've had 5 kilos of something go through your liver that it has had to be metabolized. So the old lemon juice in water, apple cider vinegar in water are fantastic as a body hack. Got to drink purified water. Purified water, purified water, purified water. Why? Because chlorine and fluoride mess with your thyroid. They slow down your metabolism. They are known toxins that they mess up your gut bugs, so your gut bugs aren't as healthy, and they slow your metabolism because your thyroid is like a bit of a sponge and it loves heavy metals like chlorine and fluoride. So therefore, if you're drinking fluoridated, chlorinated water, you're going to be slowing your metabolism, you're going to be destroying your gut bugs, you're going to be messing with your microbiome. Anyway, just a quick little body hack. Have a great day. Love you guys.